The Detroit Lions make me want to drink, but that's okay because now I have these. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You may have a favorite sports team, an NFL team, NHL, NCAA, NBA, whatever. Now you can celebrate them and rest your drink and keep your furniture safe with one of these. These are 3D drink coasters, and basically they are in the design and shape and look of your favorite arena. So let's just open these up. These will be the Detroit Lions, and they would be Ford Field, built for tough. And here are the coasters. So what we have here are like a polycarbonate plastic, and they are maybe about 6 millimeters tall. You can kind of see through there. There's sandwiched layers of plastic, and basically what that does is allows them to kind of print these levels of the stadium and then sandwich them together. So what you might be able to see here is that we have kind of the field, and then we have the lower levels, then we have that first level of the stadium, and then the higher level, and then the surround that goes all the way around with the lion logo right there. And it's cool. It just looks kind of cool. It's got 3D relief, and you can put your drink on here and feel like you're in the stadium if you're this tall. So I picked up a 2-pack of these so that I could enjoy my drinks while watching whatever is left of the NFL sports season. Hey, if you want to pick this up, celebrate your favorite team, give yourself the feels of your favorite arena or stadium, then pick them up at the link in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.